from Slovenia again. Today I will use up most of my colors mixed with PVA glue that I did the whole series with. Those are scrape offs. They are just, you know, a grayish color. Maybe I need to add a little water. And those scrape offs are from paints, colors that I will use today too. So I have the card Extreme Sheen, Deep Sapphire, Sky Blue Light. This is Chameleon Blue, greenish, yellowish green, Pearl White, my Pearl White mixture, Ultramarine Blue, Aqua Flash, and some black. And I will use this as my background today. And I will do a swipe. I didn't do a swipe for so long. And because what I realized with glue as a pouring medium, that if I get some nice effects, some nice cells, lacing, it doesn't keep the shape as much as I would love to when I stretch it out, and that's why I want to do a swipe. I don't know, maybe I will even add some balloon dips or something. I will see where this will lead me, but I'm hoping for some nice effects. And because I will not tilt it out later, maybe my cells and effects will stay more nicer, or how can I say, not more nicer, nicer. And I will start with this sapphire and then some sky blue light by Amsterdam, and chameleon blue, and some yellowish green. Oof, this one, it looks a little thicker. Some pearl white for some effects, hopefully. I hope that I don't have too much paint. With swipes, I kind of think that I always add too much paint on canvas. I don't know, before I swipe. We will see. And I will swipe with paper towels that I will dip into my black. I will turn it around. Isn't it interesting that there is so much green, even though that it's just one green shade and others are blue? But the effects are pretty cool. So we will see with what we will end up. Okay. So here she is. As I said when I did it, I'm not sure about the composition or anything. I just want to show the effects with that. So with the glue you definitely get kind of a cracking like lacing for my opinion, because it looks like cracks in a way. See, it's interesting, but not sure if I'm a big fan of that. The details are kind of cool, but as I said, maybe I should do a tree swipe or some balloons or something. Here in the middle you can always, you know, paint over here to paint something. Maybe I will turn it that way, that the blue thing will be in the middle and paint a tree on or whatever. But I want to leave it to dry to show you the effects. And of course my pearl white probably mixture had probably something to do with that lacing effects too. So yeah, if you are a fan of this, glue is definitely, and of course pearl white with Vallejo pearl medium, it's definitely something that you should use to get it. So another one with the glue done. I have believe one more to show you tomorrow. And thanks for being here watching my videos, and hope you learned something along with me. So yeah, have a nice day and see you again on the next one. Bye!